Balang araw, pababa rin ako dito. Balang araw, mamamatay ako. Makakalimutan rin ako ninyo. But let me leave you a message that is very important. Dalawang bagay lang. If we do not have peace and order, at if we cannot stop corruption, this government, our country, will never develop. Baski ibigay mo sa isang tao ang termino ng presidency for 5 terms. Pag bagulo pa tayo after me, or it worsens after me, at if we cannot stop corruption,